This video is really important for all the students who are planning to do their masters in mass comm and journalism. Also MA in journalism or masters in mass communication. I'll tell you what are the difference between these courses. In this video, you will find all the details at which are the best colleges in Mumbai and Pune. और मैं आपको ये भी बताने वाली हूँ कि अगर आपने BMM ऑलरेडी कर रखा है तो ये कोर्स आपके लिए कितना यूजफुल है. So do watch the video till the end to find out all these details. Hey guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. If you are here for the first time on my channel, I make a lot of informative videos related to mass media, journalism, film, public relation, everything related to mass media. So do subscribe to my channel. Masters in Mass Comm and Journalism is a university program, which means every college get a syllabus from Mumbai या Pune University और फिर ये colleges ये same syllabus आपको offer करता है. When you talk about masters in journalism or masters in mass communication, if you see 80% syllabus same है. So अगर आप कहीं और से ये कोर्स कर रहे हो, not in Mumbai और Pune, then don't worry, ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, ये almost same है. Few subjects are here and there, but rest of the things are same. And आपको job opportunity भी same ही मिलेगी, so don't worry about that as well. Let's talk about the freshers, which means आपका mass media का background नहीं है और आप अपना masters mass communication and journalism में कर रहे हो. So आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्स है because जिस भी बैकग्राउंड से आप हो, समझ लो आप इकोनॉमिक्स बैकग्राउंड से हो या BA बैकग्राउंड से हो या आपने कोई भी कोर्स किया हो बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस वगैरह, बट यू हैव रियलाइज कि आपका इंटरेस्ट जर्नलिज्म और मास कम्युनिकेशन में है और आपने ये कोर्स ऑप्ट किया है, आपके लिए परफेक्ट है. डोंट वरी, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. एडवांस लेवल है बट इसका जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर है काफी कुछ आपको सिखा देगा, आपका पूरा बेसिक पॉलिश हो जाएगा. सो यू नो इट्स अ गुड टू गो. डोंट वरी अबाउट कि बहुत नया है, मास्टर्स है तो आप नहीं कर पाओगे, आप इसे इजीली कर पाओगे. सो आप टेंशन फ्री होके कोर्स के लिए ऑप्ट करो. डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग, इट इज क्वाइट अ सॉर्टेड कोर्स. अब आ जाते हैं उन लोगों की तरफ जिन्होंने मास मीडिया किया हुआ है, लाइक BMM या BJMC अगर आप लोगों ने किया है और आप मास्टर्स में आ रहे हो मेरी तरह, बिकॉज दैट टाइम आई डिडंट हैड एनीबॉडी टू एडवाइस और यू नो टू आस्क फॉर. सो आई डिड माय मास्टर्स इन मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म और मैंने बैचलर्स अपना BMM में कर रखा था. व्हाट आई रियलाइज दैट कि जो सिलेबस है ना वो 50% में रिपीट कर रही हूँ. एडवांस स्टडीज तो थी बट इट इज द 50% रेपिटेशन ऑफ BMM. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी पढ़ रखा था, मेरे लिए क्वाइट स्मूथ हो गया. सो पॉजिटिव ये है कि अगर आपको अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं और आपको काम के साथ अपना कोर्स करना है, सो इट्स अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट फॉर अ BMM स्टूडेंट. But if you think that you can do a specialized masters rather than doing a generic mass communication and journalism, so you can think of opting for a specialized program that you know अगर आपको पता चल गया कि आपको journalist बनना है, which BMM is sufficient. But if you think that you are sure that you want to go into say politics, so do a MA in politics or something like that, which will give you an upper hand. Just a suggestion, you can still go with masters in mass comm and journalism, no harm. But as I said, if you want to do a specialized master, then that is one of the options. इसके लिए I want to give an example like my brother who did BMM, but he has done his masters in LLB. So if you want to get into legal journalism or legal reporting, then it's an plus point. So yes, this is how you can do it. Or one of my friend has done BMM and after that MA in psychology. This video, as I said, we are talking about Mumbai and Pune, specifically masters in mass comm and journalism. If I compare the syllabus, again ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, but I personally would prefer Pune University because Pune got much more sorted syllabus and I really like the way it is compared to Mumbai syllabus and Mumbai University also. So doing a masters in Pune is a better option according to me. You can like Mumbai is not bad, but comparatively Pune is better. That is what I feel. So let's see the top colleges for masters in mass comm and journalism in Mumbai and Pune.
First, Savitribai Phule Pune University, SPPU Pune, a state university with fees of total rupees 21,600. The 411-acre campus houses 46 academic departments and graded A by the NAC. Second, Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, SIMC, Pune, a private university with fees rupees 8,35,000 rupees. SIMC has been recognized by various academic ranking bodies for excellence in a variety of fields. Third, Kishan Chand Chelaram College, that is we all know KC College, Mumbai. Fees of rupees total 1,17,840, a public college. This university has received national recognition and provides high stipend placements. Fourth, MIT International School of Broadcasting and Journalism, a private institute with fees rupees 2,89,900 in total. The training is firmly rooted in the MIT ethos and mainly focuses on communication for development. Fifth, Abasaheb Karware College, Pune, a private college with fees rupees 1,850 in total. A college with unique achievements, Abasaheb Karware College has been re-accredited for 3 cycles and awarded a grade by the NAC. Sixth, University of Mumbai, Mumbai, a state university with fees total rupees 93,000, graded A by the NAC. This university provides scholarships and has a variety of facilities for its students. Seventh, Amity University, Mumbai, a private university with fees total 3,44,000. It serves as an academic hub for prospective students, provides a platform for industry interaction, guest lectures, and other academic activities. 8th, School of Broadcasting and Communication, SBC Mumbai. Fees rupees 3 lakh in total, a public college. The faculty of this institute are experienced and from the industry. SBC has collaborations with many eminent media houses and newspapers. 9th, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj University, CSMU, Navi Mumbai, a private college with fees rupees 2,12,200 in total. It's a private university recognized by UGC and Government of Maharashtra. Top placement recruiters include Airtel, Outlook Group, HCL, and more. 10th, KPB Hinduja College of Commerce, KPB Mumbai, with fees rupees 1,05,000 in total. This private college is graded A by the NAC and provides scholarships to its students. 11th, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth, TMV Pune, a public university with 1,35,000 rupees in total, abbreviated as TMV. It was established in 1921 and has currently started the distance learning programs. 12th, Marathwada Mitramandal College of Commerce, MMCC, Pune, a private university with fees of total rupees 30,000. This institute has an excellent placement cell and provides various scholarships.
I hope the video was helpful. Do share it with your friends so that guys I can keep making such informative videos for you all. Before I end this video, I would like to tell you that I do personal career counseling for media students. So if you are confused with your career option, with your college option or a course option, you can connect me via my team. The number and the email ID is there in the description box. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.